Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a share for you today. So this is a digital kit from Luisa, who is my crafty boutique co. She has this available in her shop. If you guys are planner people, I just wanted to show you. She has 5 different sizes and 3 different kinds of inserts for your planners, if you make planners, or if you just want refills for your planners. Now I only printed out these different styles, and I couldn't print out the other sizes. I ran out of ink. So what she has available in her coffee shop, and I'll leave her links in the description boxes below. She has regular lined paper for your traveler's notebooks, B6 size. She also has a standard TN size, a pocket size, passport size, a micro size, and I said B6. Did I say B6? Anyway, a B6 size. But they're similar to this. I didn't get to print out the other style of her daily. The micro has a different style, and so does the I think the passport. I think it's the passport. Let me look real quick. Let me see. That's the lined. Yes, the daily is a different layout. You have 2 columns on one page. Actually, no, you have 2 pages, and on the left you'll have Monday to Thursday, and on the right page you'll have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then a blank space, and they're all horizontal lines. So yeah, that's the difference layout. But this one right here is the weekly, and I think this is the, let me see, B6 size. I just printed it my printer. I wanted it to print 2 to a page, but not realizing that, you know, she already had it sized to just for you to just open it up and print it. So yeah, my bad. Anyway, this is the B6. Yeah. Right? No, this is standard. Anyways, I'm a little flustered right now. So yeah, my printer wanted to give up on printing, so this is all I was able to print. This is the weekly. So you got Monday to Sunday, and then you have some lines at the bottom. And then this is the monthly. So you get the whole month on 2 pages. And then you have a blank for your notes. And then you have the lined paper. I wanted it to print back and front and 2 to a page, but I don't know what my printer, my computer, my life period is doing. But anyway, if you're interested in this, if you needed some refills with a different style layout, check out Luisa's shop, her coffee shop. Link is in the description below. And yeah, did you know you could follow people on Kofi? Hit the Kofi notification while you're there on her page. That way you'll be notified once she uploads new items into her coffee shop. But yeah, check her out, and don't forget, oh yeah, I was gonna print some. That's why she wanted to share, because I was gonna print some for this notebook, this Halloween notebook, and this Hello Kitty set. I want to put a notebook in here with this paper and this calendar for just a weekly, maybe even a monthly, I don't know. But I definitely would love to get this printed and put it into these, I guess they're micro or passport size. I don't know. I'm not the expert. I'm not the expert. Anyways, if you're new here, welcome. Hit the notification bell, or hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this, or when I go live here on my channel. Yeah, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It kind of helps my channel, my little channel, to grow. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.